Hey everybody! Today is our first time using Discovery Education, so I wanted to walk you through on how to use the website and your task for the day. I know that this will get easier, but because you haven't used this website before, I thought it would be a good idea to walk you through it for today. So, first thing I'm going to have you do before I even show you what to do on Discovery Education, you will always want to go to Schoology to check your assignment for the day before you work on Discovery Education. So you are going to log into Schoology first. You're going to go into Science, and this week is week 2. You'll notice there are 2 activities in here for you to do. You're going to go to Activity 1 and click on the student directions. In the student directions, you will see where you are supposed to go in Discovery Education. There's even an easy access link for you to click on so that you don't have to go back and find Discovery Education. So what I would do is first look at the directions, then go and click on Discovery Education and start your lesson. So the first thing it says, Activity 1, Engage. Then we're going to read, thinking about what causes the motion of objects to change. You're going to click the blue vocab words work and force for more info. And everything that you do today, you're going to add to your Cornell notes. When you're done reading, you're going to watch Gravity. And you're also going to watch another video called Six Flags Magic Mountain Roller Coaster Colossus. Lastly, you're going to finish up with a pre-test. What do you already know about force? Reminder to hit submit after each question. So now that I know what my directions are when I go to Discovery Education, I'm ready to go. So you can click here, but I already have an open tab, so I'm going to click here. When you enter Discovery Education, you will have to enter your normal Schoology password to get into Discovery Education. You're then going to look for this green Science Textbook Grade 5. Click there, and you will see you're in the right spot if you see the monkeys. Then I'm going to scroll down, and we're going to start with 1.1, about force. I will click there. And then I'm remembering from my directions that I have to first read, thinking about what causes the motion of objects to change. So you will read this paragraph first, and as the direction says, you will click on the blue words work and force to read more about those 2 words. You can see a little screen pops up. You can watch the video and read for each one of those words. See how nice that is? So there'll be a video and then it explains what those words mean. Now, if I were you and I was taking Cornell notes, I would write this in green as my big idea or my question. And then don't forget, when you are taking notes, I would definitely want work and force in my notes because those are 2 big words that we are working on for this unit. Next, once you're done with that, it says to watch the video. So I'm going to scroll down, and here is the first video on gravity. You'll watch that. It's only 1 minute and 17 seconds. Please take Cornell notes on that video. You can go ahead and read Imagine This. What is force? And then you're going to scroll down until you see this video. It's a video field trip, Six Flags Magic Mountain Roller Coaster Colossus. So you're going to also watch this video and take notes. Lastly, you're going to scroll down and you're going to take the pretest on what do you already know about force. Now please remember, when it's a pretest, it's just a test on what you already know. If you don't know, that's okay. That's what we are going to find out in this unit. But if you're like me, I like to know what I already know so that, and the things that I don't know, I know to focus on while I'm going through the lesson. So you will take I believe there's 3 questions. So the first question is, how do objects move? And then you'll read through the directions and solve. It looks like you're doing some matching here. Then you're going to do the second question on force and motion. So just click on the correct answer. And then lastly, you're going to do the stick in the mud and question, and you're going to type your answer here. Oh, and there's one more, I guess, sorry. How do forces affect the motion of objects? So you'll go ahead and take that pre-test, submit your answers when you are complete, and you are done for lesson 1. Again, if I were you, I'd go back into Schoology. I would make sure and check my brain. Am I in the right spot? Yep, I went to 1-1. I read what I needed to read. I took notes where I needed to take notes. I watched the 2 videos and I took the pre-test. If you have any questions, I will be meeting with you individually this week, but we are also doing a science lesson right away this week, so please make sure to join me if you have further questions. See you then.